Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, this is your Monday Meds. So yes, it is an exciting week. It is the first week of August. Happy August to all of you. Yes, happy August 1st. And August 1st is Emancipation Day here in Jamaica. And I know it's Emancipation Day in other Caribbean islands. And so happy Emancipation Day to all of you, including my fellow Jamaicans here at home and abroad. Happy Emancipendence Week, guys. Yes, this whole week is a week of holiday here in Jamaica. And so like I told you last week, your videos will be pre-recorded. And so as many of you know, today my husband and I celebrate 11 years of marriage. Yes, it's very windy, but God is good, and I hope you can hear me. As I told you, we will be on vacation, so I need to take a break, I need to rest. And yes, after all the activities of July, many of you know we've been counting down to number 11. Number 11, like 1, 1. So 1 and 1, 2, number 11. Well, number 11, however you want to put it. I wanted to do this video to wish happy anniversary to all of you who have all uno Jamaicans, my family, my friends who have anniversaries this month. And specifically, all of you who have anniversary this week, all week, there is an anniversary. And ours, stop it, right? Ours is the 1st of August. So ours is today. And we got married on a Monday like today. So yes, it's extra special, and we'll be doing something extra special. So you can get updates on my personal channel, Tanisha Lawrence, my personal channel. I will definitely share in the description section of this video for those of you who are new to our channel, so you can check what we are doing for our anniversary, for our 11th anniversary. So we did a countdown, 10 days countdown, 11 days countdown to number 11. So you can look out for that video and see what we did for each year of our anniversary. Very exciting, and I know many of you have enjoyed it. Many of you who are on Facebook, you can check out my Facebook page, personal page, Tanisha Songbird Lawrence. You can definitely find updates there, and you can hashtag anniversary countdown and you will see it pop up, or countdown for this year number 11. So what I want to say to you all today, marriage is beautiful. Of course, marriage, like anything else in life, has its ups and its downs. There are times when you want to do something and your spouse, your husband, or my husband, or your wife, or your husband may not want to do it. And how do you navigate those things? Yeah, we will do a video on that one of these days. But I just wanted to encourage us to, for those of you who are not yet married, marriage is beautiful. However, it is work. Just as how you apply for a job and you have a resume and you have your qualifications, or you need to have work experience, you need to have qualifications. Marriage is similar to that. Yes, it is work. Now, if you're not ready for work or hard work, I can tell you up front, leave it alone. Don't bother to venture into it, because marriage is hard work. However, when you work together, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. They said together everyone achieves more. That's team. Together everyone achieves more. And so that's my encouragement for you today for your Monday Meds. Yes, it is Jamaica's 60th year of independence. So this whole week, this whole month, we'll be celebrating Jamaica's 60th. And join us on Monday Medz channel right here, along with my personal channel. We'll share food, we'll share culture, we'll share out and about views. Yes, it is exciting. And happy independence to all my Jamaicans everywhere, my fellow Jamaicans. Yes, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None, mental slavery, none but ourselves can free our minds. And so that's my encouragement to you, that you will allow God to free your mind. I know sometimes you go through stuff that is so painful, is so challenging, it's so hard. But one of my encouragement for you today is that you ask God to help you through the tough times. Yes, there are tough times. Now we're living in tough times, and there are tough times ahead. So be encouraged though. Encourage yourself in the Lord. Encourage yourself. Encourage each other. Let us encourage each other to know that better days are ahead. Yes, better days are ahead. And so as we wrap up Monday Medz, happy anniversary to my darling husband, David. Happy anniversary to you, honey. Yes, happy anniversary to you. And I pray God's blessings on you. And hats off to you, honey. Yes. This is our anniversary hat. And hats off to you, honey. Yes, for sticking with me for 11 years. Wow, that's a long time. So happy anniversary to you, honey. And yes, I pray that God will continue to bless you, and that God will continue to bless our love. Yes, have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful month, everyone. And remember, in all your ways, trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge God. Acknowledge God. And He promised that He will direct your path. I pray you'll have a wonderful week. Have an awesome month, everyone. And God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.